Gotta pay for the travel. Oh, that's fair enough. Okay. The M5 Pro. Let's see here. 14K resolution? Damn, that's a lot of Ks. 85% uniformity. Fire leveling free. Yeah, okay. Yep, so this one does have the leveling uh, software or feature, I guess you'd call it. That's the big one that helps a lot. And then, yeah, and then it does have the pressure sensors on it too. Those are the two things that beginners in 3D printing, I'm not going to say they mess up, but they don't know about is, so with resin printing, you have to have that build plate level to your print surface, the screen. And it's a pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass no matter what printer you have. And this brand makes it so that way the machine does it for you. But the other thing is just expect, I mean, you know this from FDM printing, you're going to have failures. It is not avoidable, like it's going to happen. And with resin printing, one of the biggest things is that you want to keep a clean workspace as much as possible. Because since you're using a liquid, when the print head comes down, there is a massive amounts of force because of the resin being smushed, right? So if you have like even just like the tiniest little speck of resin in there, it's very, very possible to either damage the FEP film or the LCD screen. And so that particular one has sensors in it to help prevent it. I don't know how like what level of fidelity it has, but that version, if you I mean clearly it's an investment, but if you're comfortable doing that, I would suggest something along those lines at least. So these things are amazing for resin. What things are those? Or those? Yeah, I got those. Yeah, for sure those are. Yeah, a very common thing